Alright guys, so my Lumintrail rear bike rack finally came in. It looks pretty solid, the welds, but you never know. Comes with simple instructions, shouldn't be too hard to install. So it's taking place on my Schwinn rear bike rack that failed. The welds broke and I had to jerry rig it all up. You can even see that it's bent. You can see it's kind of curved over here. I don't know if you can see that any good. I got a couple zip ties, but it's actually holding pretty good like this. Doesn't move, solid. But yeah, I'll try this out. Welds look pretty solid. I have to inspect them probably once a week. Make sure they're not cracking. It says 110 pounds, but I ain't gonna put that much in it. So hopefully I'll give you my review after 500 miles on this and let you know how it's holding up. All right.